So in terms of the numbers of Tata consumers, we've surely seen that the revenue and profits were in line, while margins seem to be a bit under pressure. So today we at ET Now were joined by Sunil D'Souza, and he surely gave us a deep insight about what are the company's plans, how is the second wave impacting us on the margins he spoke about as well, and what is the company's inorganic opportunities and growth plans as well. So quickly taking you through the highlights of what the management actually said about Tata consumers. So talking about the second wave firstly, he said that yes, they are seeing the impact of the second wave, especially this time around we're seeing an impact coming in on the rural areas as well as the countryside as well, which is a bit of a worry for the company. But overall, as of now, there's not they're seeing a bit of an impact coming in on the supply side, not a major impact, but they'll be keeping a close eye on the supply side as well. And as of now, obviously, like in the first wave, we saw this common trends like modern trade doing well, modern trade a bit under impact, e-commerce coming back and doing well, general trade also a bit of a worry. So where we saw the similar trends in last year is what we're seeing this time around as well, where e-commerce is increasing, modern trade dramatically dropping. Kirana stores this time around are also open, but there are restricted hours, right, which we're seeing them open at. So that is something that is a bit of a worry. Is the supplying to them within those restricted hours is something of a slight bit of an issue as of now, which the company is facing on. Otherwise, on the trend basis, similar trends that we are seeing what we saw in last year as well, when the first wave hit us. Now, obviously, the company said that they are very confident of giving the new distribution channel laid out by them recently. So they will be managing the second wave much better, and they've learned a lot from the first wave as well, is what the management highlighted clearly. Obviously, cost control measures and synergies is something the company has already taken on, talking about on the margin front now. So they are already seeing cost control measures, and the synergies on cost side as well. But we're seeing a big impact coming in on the margins. And what has actually impacted the margins is the Indian beverage business, and that is mainly due to the tea prices, which have seen a sharp jump coming in September 2020. Around those times, we've seen a sharp jump coming in on the tea prices, and that has obviously been high for quite some time. Even as of now, though they are seeing a bit of a moderation and tapering down, still the tea prices are 50% up on a year-on-year basis, and they're still higher compared to what the previous levels were. So that is what has overall impacted the margins, especially the margins of the Indian beverage business as well. And looking at that, the company has already taken certain judicial price hikes, but they are maintaining the competition pricing in the market as well. That is also something they have to look out for. And obviously, as of now, the company said that they have chosen to keep the medium and long-term view in mind of growth and maintaining the market share as well as the competitive pricing as well.